Hello guys, welcome back to Dev Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write your first program with the programming language Java. This works both on Mac OS X and Windows machines the same. You have to install a SDK of your favor. In my case it is Eclipse, and that's basically everything you need. And you also have to install the Java Virtual Machine. So if you're starting Eclipse, the first thing you will have to define is a workspace. So what is a workspace in Eclipse? Basically, it's a folder where all your projects are stored. So the default setting is the user folder documents and workspace. So that is totally fine. I hit OK and Eclipse is loading up. So what happened now? We got our software development kit. We got some kind of different views. We got the package explorer, which I will discover a little bit later. We got the problem view, so if you made some mistakes in your code, that will be shown up there. You got your task list and your outline, but that is at the first, or for our first program, those kinds are not very interesting. We're hitting the file, new, and we're saying new Java project. So Eclipse asks us a couple of things. At the first, we have to name our project. In this case, I will go there and say hello world, because yeah, it's the first project. Then it automatically creates a folder in our default workspace. You can use different Java versions. I go with 1.7, which is totally fine for this case. You can say create separate folders for source and class files, which are all the standard settings. And then we're heading into next. And then we are going to see what's going to happen. Our Java project will be called Hello World, and then we got our package, which will show up in the package explorer, which contains the source code. We do not need anything else. We do not need any references, so we hit finish. What happened now is we're going there and we're seeing our standard references, the JRE system libraries, which are automatically referenced. And now we are seeing our source folder. And as you notice, there is no Java file included. So we're going there, hit new, and we're going to add a class. We're going to say the default package, because we do not have any structure in this. This will be later relevant if you're gonna make a huge project with a structure for organizing things. But we're totally fine with the source package, and we're hitting there and we're saying hello world is the name of our first Java class. The superclass is object. This is basically an array object-oriented programming language, which is inherited from this kind. Then we're going to say inherit extra methods, which is totally fine. Which method stubs we'd like to create. Since we want to make a console application, we're going to say create us the main method. And we're heading into finish. So what happened? We got the public class hello world and the public static void main method, which already has a string array with the arguments. The arguments can be defined if you're running those programs on the terminal or in the console, but we do not need any arguments right now. We're deleting the comment here, and now we are saying we're gonna say system. And then if you're heading the dot, you get some kind of IntelliSense, which are recommendations of, or which are showing what kind of functions and properties are available. In this case, we're going for system out, and then we're firing up the print method. You see there are some different operations with different types: boolean, character array, double, floating numbers, integers, long, objects, which is basically array object, and so on. And we're gonna say no, we don't wanna call the print. We're going for the print line, and yeah, we go for this case, and we're now saying hello world. This is our first Java program. We're hitting save, and now we can fire up our project or our program with the run button. And what is important to know, if you're running an Eclipse, you got a console view, and here we go. Hello world, this is our first Java program. If we wanna make use some kind of arguments, we can go right there and say, for our test reasons, we have to define our string. Let's say input arg name, which is in our string array on the first place. And then we can say hello world. In this case, not hello world. We say hello. Then we make a string concatenation input arg name. What we're going to do right now is there must be a first argument, otherwise there is an exception, so we can make some kind of input validation. We can go right there and say if args and the length of it equals 0, then we're gonna go there and throw new argument exception. No. Yeah, that is always kind of weird if you're switching between .NET and Java. In .NET it's called an argument exception. In Java it's an illegal argument exception. So we go right there, and now in this case there must be an argument exception. Yeah, this is thrown, an illegal argument exception. If we're going right there and run and say run configurations, and in run configurations we can go to hello world and define some arguments, and we're now going to make the first argument, which is my first name. This is Patrick. Say run, and it says hello Patrick. So this was the first program in Java. You have seen how to write something on console with system.out.println, how to make a project, how to add a Java class, and we already made some things with arguments, and we already made an input validation and thrown an illegal argument exception if there is no argument given. So guys, thank you for watching the first video in our Java video series. If we have any future requests or wishes on this particular topic or any other topic, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks you guys for the support, it's very much appreciated. Have a good day, bye.